Welcome to part 5 of our condition monitoring series. Today, we're focusing on a critical aspect of diesel reliability, filtration. In this two-part episode, we'll explore both bulk diesel filtration and onboard filtration solutions to protect your equipment from contamination and costly downtime. Hi, I'm Ben. Let's start with bulk diesel filtration, your first line of defense against fuel contamination. HYDAC's LVH range of filters and coalescers offers a flexible and efficient solution for high volume diesel filtration, handling flow rates up to 3,600 liters per minute. These filters deliver class-leading performance in terms of beta ratios, dirt holding capacity, and water separation efficiency. The housings are available in carbon steel, stainless steel, or aluminium, depending on your application needs. Our filtered elements range in fineness from 3 micron to 20 micron, and our coalescing elements can be dedicated water separators or integrated two-stage designs that combine filtration and water removal in one element. Choose from a variety of clogging indicators, from standard visual types to digital switches and analog transmitters, giving you flexibility in condition monitoring. Thanks to their superior dirt holding capacity, HYDAC LVH filters help to reduce operational costs, outperforming many competitors in both efficiency and lifespan. Now let's talk about onboard diesel filtration, the last line of defense before fuel reaches your injection system. HYDAC's HDP range of filters are designed to provide the ultimate protection for your diesel injection system right on the machine. These filters employ fully synthetic media to capture particulates, as well as a two-stage coalescing system that removes water with a greater than 95% efficiency. They're installed in the suction line of the charge or lift pump, shielding your main filters and injection pump from damage. A single HDP unit can handle up to 1,800 liters per hour, and this can be scaled up with parallel configurations to increase flow capacity and extend filter life. HDP housings come with manual or automatic draining options, an optional hand or electric priming pump, and even an integrated heater for colder environments. Whether you're filtering bulk diesel or protecting your equipment on board, HYDAC offers flexible, high-performance solutions tailored to your operation. Thank you for watching our condition monitoring series. For more information on how HYDAC can support your diesel reliability strategy, contact us today.